Get your bake on with this delicious cream cheese coffee cake. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be sharing a delicious recipe for cream cheese coffee cake. This is the perfect dessert for any occasion, whether you're hosting a brunch with friends or simply looking for a sweet treat to enjoy with your morning coffee. This recipe is easy to make and requires only a few simple ingredients, but the end result is a moist and flavorful cake that is sure to impress. So, grab your apron and let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cream cheese filling: 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeters, springform pan. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream and vanilla extract, until the batter is smooth. In another bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until creamy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Spoon the cream cheese filling on top of the batter, spreading it to the edges. Pour the remaining cake batter over the cream cheese filling, spreading it evenly. In a small bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon for the streusel topping. Add the melted butter and stir until the mixture is crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel over the cake batter. Bake the cake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then remove the sides of the pan and transfer the cake to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious cream cheese coffee cake that is sure to become a new favorite in your recipe collection. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you try this recipe, be sure to let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. And as always, thanks for watching. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.